Tonight I'm at Descanso Gardens, standing in front of the Garden of Good Fortune for the opening night of Enchanted Forest of Light. This is their holiday time event. Opens tonight, November 20th, runs through January 8th. Tickets are on sale online. You need to buy them online in advance, get them for the time slot you want. It's very, very popular. So if you want a specific day and time, buy it now because it will sell out. This is one of my favorite events of the year. Anything that Descanso does is just absolutely beautiful. This is their holiday time event, but it's not really Christmas themed. It is just a beautiful display of light, sound, music, perfect for all ages. Let's go explore, check out Enchanted Forest of Light. For this video, I'm going to use the ambient audio. I'm not going to put in any music, so there may be some scenes that you hear birds chirping, light music, ambient noises. I'm going to leave it just the way it is so you can experience it just the way they're presenting it. True funnel cake vlog fashion, I'm one of the first ones through the gate. So let's do this. I'm going to go back to the front and film the entrance after we get through so we get some good shots. Each section of the garden is broken up into a different display and they are numbered. This is the Starlight Garden. The next section we're going to is these beautiful glass houses. They were here last year. I can't wait to see them again. Aren't these amazing? You can actually walk into them, take pictures. Very popular photo spot here at Enchanted. They were here last year, but I'm in a different one. So if you watch a video from last year, I'm in the big one. This is a different one. Very cool.
What about the other? Polish sausage sandwich. Check that one. I like that. Well, warm chairs you could probably get by with.
At stop number 4, there is a bar and some snacks, and they have a loaded potato soup. And if you've never been to Descanso Gardens, their food here is absolutely amazing. I actually usually look forward to the food just as much as the event. So I'm gonna do one loop, come back around and get some of that potato soup. Look delicious. And that's at Light Wave Lake. And at Light Wave Lake, you can actually push the buttons on the fence and the colors change on the lake. So make sure you check that out. This is stop number 5. It is called Symphony of the Oaks. And if you stand up on the rings around the tree, on the little lights, they'll change. Watch. The kids always love this section, so make sure you stop here as well. This is stop number 5, right after the bar and the food. Tips for these events: either come right at the end of the night when everybody is leaving, or get here right when it opens. And if you get here when it opens, get up in line early so you can walk around really fast, get some beautiful shots with nobody in them, then go around again and take your time, get something to eat. We're heading to another stop of food, so we'll see what they have there. And at the entrance to Descanso, there are usually a few booths selling food and drinks, and they have their main to-go counter restaurant. Again, their food is really good here, so no matter what you pick, you're probably going to enjoy it. This is stop number 7, the Luminous Lawn. If you were here for Carved, this is where the big gourd pumpkin house was. There's another place to stop and eat. This is the patisserie. They have a bunch of baked goods, drinks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Plenty of benches to sit that light up, these big giant lamps, perfect for photos and Instagram. So check it out. Like I said, come hungry because the food is good. This is another event that I know people come to look for on YouTube to see, should we go? Should I spend the money? What is it like? Should I take the kids? Is it worth it? And yes. Like I always say, yes, they're worth it. But you really have to experience it in person. Don't let this YouTube video be the only experience you get of this, because it is so immersive when you're standing here amongst these trees lit up. It's amazing what light can do and the ambient sounds, and there's just nothing like it. So if you're watching this video on the fence, whether you want to come to Enchanted at Descanso, I say yes. Purchase your tickets because there's a lot of dates and times that are already sold out. It runs through January 8th, but you have to book your tickets online, and they are time slotted. And I looked before I left today, and tonight was already sold out for most of the time slots. So if you want a specific day or come during the holidays, get your tickets now. I started my video here in the Garden of Good Fortune, so I'm going to end it here. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. If you're not following us on social media, you can find us at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook and Instagram. If you want tickets to Enchanted, get them now. Runs through January 8th here at Descanso Gardens. Hope you enjoyed the video and a look at all these beautiful light installations here. Thanks for watching.